Today is a super special day. It is actually my birthday. I'm having my birthday on board. So I wanted to do a birthday vlog just to show you what I get up to. I'm currently sailing as a guest entertainer on the Celebrity Silhouette, and today we actually have a sea day, so I can't go off and do something exciting in port, so I'm trying to make it special in other ways. Of course, it's always hard having special days away from family. Anybody that works away from home will know you have to make them special in your own little ways, so I'm going to bring you along and just show you what I get up to today. So far this morning I've woken up and checked all my messages, hopped up and got some coffee, and now I'm going to FaceTime my boyfriend and hopefully my family at some point. I do have a few work duties today, but that will probably only take about half an hour of my time. Hopefully I'm gonna have a really fun day. I have one thing to show you. Last night I came back to my cabin and this was hung on my door. It had my cabin number on it and my name, and I had no idea what it was, but it had a birthday card inside it from Celebrity. I thought that was a really nice little touch. I got this little bag. I'm gonna be taking this everywhere with me, and then also I have a Kit Kat. Yay! So if you've never been on a cruise ship before, Wi-Fi can sometimes be super tricky. It's not always the best connection, and most of the time, especially as crew, you have to pay for it. So I have bought some internet, especially for my birthday, so I can speak to my family and my boyfriend, and I'm really excited to speak to them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Malili. Happy birthday to you.
You want to say hello to my vlog?
Oh, hey!
So sushi was super delicious. One thing that I do really want to do is I want to go down to the I-95, which is the big long corridor that goes all the way down the ship in crew area, because somewhere along there they have a notice board of everyone's birthday. So if it's your birthday, your picture is on there. So I really want to go and find mine. That's where I'm going to head now, and I'm going to go and see if I can find my face on the I-95. Oh my gosh, I found it. So that was really fun, and I keep bumping into people, and I've told so many people it's my birthday that everyone's saying happy birthday. It's really fun. I'm gonna FaceTime some more now. I did get a coffee after we had sushi, so I had my coffee. Hi!
Hello! Happy birthday!
I've had a gorgeous afternoon. This is my outfit for this evening. We're gonna pop to the buffet, have a martini maybe, a little drink in guest area, and then head to the show. And then we'll go for drinks in crew area later. This is the dress. These are the shoes. Good to go.